Hello everyone, welcome back to my Tech Conclusion channel. So in this series, I especially going to talk about the upcoming phones of the February of 2019. Almost 7 brands are exclusively launching their mobiles in this February month, and around 18 to 20 mobiles are launching, especially between 25th of February to 28th. Plenty of mobiles are launching, so stay tuned for that. Let's start the video. So in these brands, I will take up the Redmi first. The Redmi Note 7 and Note 7 Pro. Pro is not confirmed yet, but it has a rumor that it will launch. I think it will not launch in February, but it has a rumor. But the Note 7 will definitely launch in this February, and its cost around 10,000. It starts from 10,000 to 16,000. It will vary, and the Redmi is launching another one budget phone, means an ordinary phone, which called Redmi Go. I think its cost about probably 6,000. It comes with 1 or 2 GB RAM with 4 GB or 8 GB internal storage. I don't know why they are launching this kind of mobile at this time, but definitely this is not the good thing to launch at this time, because all flagship mobiles are just coming out of a month. So, and the next thing is comes to the Samsung. Yes, the Samsung has just released the Samsung M series that launched on Jan 28th, but the sale will be starts on Feb 5th, and I already purchased the Samsung S20 4GB RAM 64GB variant for you guys to unbox in this Tech Conclusion channel. It will be uploading by 2 to 3 days. The process is going on, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you are subscribed and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos, same as this, and unboxing of Samsung M20. So the Samsung S10 will cost you around 7,990. It starts for the 2 GB RAM and 32 GB variant, and it's come up with 2 GB and 3 GB variant. I will specially made a video for that S10, and I will be doing the S20 also with the unboxing and hands-on. And the S20 costs around 10,990 for the 3 GB variant, but I purchased the 12,990 variant for 12,990 rupees of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB ROM variant. And when it comes to the M30 not yet launched, but it will be launching on 27th Feb, and it has rumored as its cost around 17,990. Let's see, I will do the video on that also. And when it comes to the Samsung S series, Samsung is now releasing its S series on Feb 21. That is Samsung 10 Lite and Samsung 10 and Samsung 10 Plus. But it was event on 20 Feb. Let me do video on that also. Stay tuned for that. And Samsung has just revealed its smartphone about folding phones, and probably I will do the video especially on the folding phones. There are 3 companies which showcases the folding phones right now. The first thing is Redmi. Redmi has showcased it, and the FlexPi, the new company in the folding phones, they have already launched it, and the Samsung has just revealed it. I don't know when they will release those phones. So, and when it comes to the Motorola, the G series, the G7, G7 Play, G7 Power, G7 Plus, 4 phones from Motorola on February. I don't know at what date it will release. It's not yet confirmed, but it has a rumor that it will launch in February. But I don't know why they have separated 4 phones in the 7 series. Most probably the G7 will be the normal category phone which is available right now, like Samsung S10, like that, and G7 will be the Play. G7 Play will be the especially for the gamers, PUBG players, and for G7 power will be having more battery, and G7 Plus will have features like Samsung S20 maybe, but it not yet confirmed. It's my opinion. Let me show you the thing when the event is updated. So when it comes to the Nokia, yes, Nokia is launching 5 cameras phone. I mean 5 camera in one phone. Single camera, dual camera, triple camera, finally quad camera. But now it's penta camera. Yes, the Nokia is launching its penta camera on 24th of February. There is no news about the megapixel, apertures, RAM, ROM, price, when it's available in India, but it will launch on February only, but when, I don't know. But the event is on 24th of February, and Nokia is also releasing one more budget phone that's called Nokia One Plus, not OnePlus companies, the Nokia's One Plus. So many phones. Okay, when comes to the Oppo has just released its K1 on Feb 5th, and it's one of the best in-display fingerprint sensor has packed in this phone, and it's cost around 17,000 for 4GB and 64GB variant, and it's come up with 25 megapixel front camera. I will make a dedicated video for the K1 also. So, and when it comes to the Realme has launched its Realme 2 and Realme 2 Pro, and it's successfully run in India. So they have come up with the Realme 3 on Feb 27th, and it's cost around 15,990 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB variant. Let me see how it come up, and let me get you the information on the right time. So when it comes to the Vivo is launching one of the best phone ever in the mobile industry, that is Vivo 15 Pro. Vivo V15 Pro. There is no specs released or rumored in this, and the only main thing is that has this pop-up camera, contains 32 megapixel camera, world's first 32 megapixel camera ever with in-display fingerprint sensor, and it will be launching on 20th of February. Almost 18 to 20 mobiles are releasing this time, and there is one more thing. From Feb 25th to 28th, the Mobile World Congress has just revealing its other kinds. Many brands are participating in that series, and in that the Huawei will I think Huawei or Honor, in these two phones will launch one of the best mobile that has 5G supportable devices, and Sony is releasing one of its flagship mobile on that Mobile World Congress. And the next thing is LG also come up with the new phones on that series. So many phones. I don't know why in this month only these mobiles are getting released. Samsung is releasing 6 phones. At the last date of Jan, but the mobile has been released in Feb 5th. In the same month, they are going to release almost 6 mobile. Let me see and notify one by one. So stay tuned for that, guys. If you want to get all these updates chak, so please subscribe to my Tech Conclusion channel and press the bell icon to get notified about every new technology videos. So that's it for today, guys, and meet you on the next video. Till there, take care, bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, guys.